personal experience that the longer mom lives with the guy, the harder it is to get rid of him.
Is there somebody in there?
Yeah, can you do that with me?
What's the combination?
38, 24, 36.
Wow.
Thanks.
What? Come on, boy. Ben, you said me wrong.
What were you doing in your locker? Don't you know you're supposed to be on the outside when you lock it up?
Some big guys were making fun of me. They stuck me in there. Does that happen a lot? Just about every day. Well, maybe that dopey looking Indian could have got something to do with it. Got everything to do with it. I'm an Indian guy. What's an Indian guy? The YMCA Indian guy is a children's essential foster understanding and companionship between father and son.
Well, nice talking to you there, Coach Cheese. We gotta be going.
Tell me something now. Does the fathers have to